What's going on, everybody? Adam Neely with Build, Guild, and Refine TV coming back at you with another video. So we're out here in Yardley, PA. We're doing a deck rebuild. Front porch needs some loving. I think I lost Chatter. Chatter! Oh, hey, there's Chatter. All right, so we got Chatter here and the man with no face, our guy who doesn't like to be on camera. So let's take a look at the project. It's pretty freaking cold today. All right, so the plan of attack here is we're ripping up about 8 feet in to the decking. So from the outer edge, 8 feet in. That's where the worst of it really is contained. Then the cupping doesn't get as bad over there. So we're not replacing the whole deck for this job, we're just repairing it. We're gonna build 2 new handrails, one on this side, one on the front. And then that's pretty much the scope of the job. Going on?
This old joist where it sits on the foundation is just deteriorated.
Unfortunately, as soon as we came in this morning, we did find a little bit of trouble. You'll notice this column here, this corner column, is all cockeyed. Take a look at this. So if you notice, this corner right there, look at how crooked that is. So we gotta find a way to address that too. We're gonna go ahead and take a look in the basement.
You get a flat bar?
Whoever came in and did this repair, didn't repair anything. They poured some column support, some footers, and then that whole corner is just loose fit. There's no mortar, it's just old school sand.
The Simpsons. Hi, Dr. Nick.
So what's going on, everybody? Adam Neely, Build, Guild, and Refine TV. We're back
At you.
That's the MC Chatter signature, hey.
Yeah.
All right, so we're back here in Yardley, PA at the porch/deck rebuild.
Just.
Restructure.
Reframe. Re-engineer.
So initially we came here and we thought that this deck job was just going to be a little bit of a repair, just needed a little bit of TLC. When we opened up the can, it turned out to be full of worms.
Big worms.
See that?
Big worms.
Let's see what them. So there's a lot more to the job.
As there always is.
As there always is.
Yes.
Let's take a look.
Let's do it. Do it.
We had 2 challenges. We had to keep it budget friendly, and we had to fit it into our schedule because we moved around a lot of things so that we could get this job done because it was a safety issue and it needed to be taken care of.
Yeah.
So this bracing was done to, and internally, Chatter remortared that joint that was cracked and then braced it from the outside as well as from the inside corner. So that bracing is just to keep that break from pushing out any further, right? So that's what we could do, again, to fit in the budget and fit in the time frame.
Yeah, and it's safe now. So.
And I'd say we did the best that we could within those parameters.
Yeah, I mean, if the budget ain't there, it ain't there. So you gotta.
It's not going to be there.
Yeah, so you gotta come up with
Right.
ways in order to make it work.
And it works.
Yeah.
And it works. Looks great. And the homeowners are very happy. So at the end of the day, that's all that matters to us, right? So basically, a lot had to be done from underneath.
Yeah.
There was a lot of damage.
And I didn't even throw about. We had to dig down 4 feet and pour another footer.
A whole new footer had to be poured to support this corner. So let's go down to the basement and take a look.
Take a look.
All right, let's go. All right, I'd say this is another one on the books. Yeah. All right, Adam Neely, Bill Gilder, Fine TV, MC Chatter, coming at you.
Later.